This is a new Nokia E61i. Now, we will show you how to use this new model. Before we proceed, we need to have the following: the battery, the back cover, the SIM card, and the cell phone itself. First, we need to open the back cover. Just press it and slide it. Second, we need to remove the battery to see the place wherein the SIM card is being inserted. Third, insert the SIM card. Fourth, insert again your battery. Fifth, return the back cover. Sixth, press the switch button to turn on the Nokia E61i. The switch button was in the upper right portion of this model. Wait until the Nokia icon appears. Then, it is ready to use. You can now enjoy texting, calling, surfing, and chatting. Nokia, connecting people.